Namaskar. As they say, where there's a will, there's a way. N.A. Roto, a renowned name in the world of roto molding. N.A. Roto Machines and Molds India started its journey of manufacturing machines and mold fabrication in the year 1982 at a place called Vatva in Ahmedabad, Gujarat. The place where this commercial journey started is the place where the company's fully functional 5,400 square feet corporate office is situated. Today, N.A. Roto is the #1 company in the entire Asia region. And the reason is the company's founder, the late Shri Prahlad Bhai's vision, Naresh ji's hard work and dedication, and Anand ji's precise teamwork with complete devotion and authenticity. Let us start the journey of N.A. Roto's units, equipped with the latest modern technologies. First, let us take you to the mold unit. Spread across an area of 28,800 square feet, this technologically advanced mold unit has a production capacity of more than 1,700 different types of molds per year. Molds of all shapes and sizes. Now we proceed to Unit 2. Spread across an area of 49,500 square feet. Ovens from small to as large as 6 meters are produced here. Considering the increasing market demand, a new unit of 43,200 square feet, Unit 5, has also been installed. More than 50 machines are produced every year in Unit 2 and Unit 5 jointly. When it comes to turnkey projects, apart from machines and molds, ancillary machines are also required. So let us take you to Unit 4, which is an area of 29,700 square feet, where more than 100 different kinds of machines are produced. And finally, let's proceed to Unit 1, spread across an area of 18,000 square feet. Where parts of supreme quality and accurate measurements used in N.A. Roto's machines and molds are manufactured using fully automatic, sophisticated machines. N.A. Roto's molds and machines have been exported to more than 88 countries. From 1982 till today, this is the journey of N.A. Roto. Team NA Roto is committed to provide its customers supreme quality products and services, keeping our founder, Shri Prahlad Bhai's visionary ideas and thoughts in our hearts. Thank you for being a valuable customer of NA Roto. Thank you.